Hello everyone, I'm Yas, and today I'm going to explain about my experiments in data science and ecosystem. The first one is about a daily temperature array. Creates a NumPy array containing temperatures for 10 days and prints the array. Here we use a np.array, converts the Python list into a NumPy array, and print temperatures, a daily temperatures values. Here's the output. And next one is about zeros, ones, and empty arrays, like creating arrays using NumPy, and I used np.07 to create a 7 zeros for missing rainfall values, and np once creates a sevens of one for record a rainfall days, and np.empty of 5 creates an unlisted array of all 5 values. And the next one is about a generate a random array of 15 integers between 40 and 100 to report humidity percentage. Here I generated a 15 random humidities like NDIM, number of dimensions, and shape, a structure of the array, and size, the total number of elements, and a D type, a data type of elements. Using this, I have created and the humidity percentages, and there is a dimension, and the shape is above 15, and size is also above 15. A data type is int 64. Yeah. Next one is about the temperature scaling. Creates a temperature values from 25 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius with at a step of 2. Used a temperature of is to 3, first 3 values, and next is about -4, at least a lost 4 values, and temperature of W is to 2 is means every alternate values. And next one is about to create a NumPy array for the values, given values representing daily rainfall. Print a 4 days rainfall and exact rainfall data for the first 3 days and also for last 2 days. Here I used a rainfall of 3. It's so exact of fourth day. And the rainfall of is to 3 means it's a rainfall for the first 3 days. And if I use a minus symbol, it shows a last 2 days. Next, sixth one is about to create a 1D NumPy array and with 12 random integers between 0 and 100 representing a monthly average temperatures, values, and stores them. Here I used a monthly temp dot sort that sorts original arrays in ascending order, and np dot unique monthly temp sorts that display values without a duplicates. And next one is about a sort and display unique values. In that, I want to create a 1D NumPy array with a 12 random integers between 0 and 100 representing monthly average temperature. Here I haven't used a sort temp. That means a np dot sort temp return a sorted array, and np dot unique temp removes a duplicate values. Next, the eighth one is about a wind speed index. The next one is about find the position of specific wind speed, and np dot where of wind w equal to 35, find the index of 35, and the next line np dot argmax wind, find the index of the maximum value. The next one is about generate a NumPy array of 20 random integers. This we have solved in top are representing rainfall This is about a rainfall, and I have rainfall np dot randit 0, 201, and 20. And here the ninth one is about generates 20 random rainfalls value and filters them using conditions. I have used a rainfall greater than 100, display rainfall above the 100 millimeter, and rainfall percentage 10 w equal to 0 displays a value divisible by 10. And the next one is about perform arithmetic operations on maximum and minimum temperatures. These are the features I have used: a temperature reading, comma temp, a total, and the next is highest, lowest, and average of the first 10 readings. And here's the output. And 11th one is about a temperature statics, generates a 30 random temperature reading and calculate statics. np dot sum of temp, a total of all readings, and np dot max of temp, it is a highest temperatures readings, and the np dot minimum temp is those lowest temperature readings, and np dot mean of temp is equal to average of the first 10 readings. And next one is about a reshape and flatten. Creates an array of month and change its shape. np dot range of 1 comma 13 creates a number from 1 to 12, and a reshape 4 comma 3 changes it into 4 rows and 3 columns, and flatten converts a 2D array back into 1D array. And next one is about create an array of 15 random integers between 50 and 100 representing humidity levels. Here it is same as humidity. I have created a 50 and not 1 15. Print humidity levels, humidity. and have stored in NP shorted humidity. It's above 80 humidity, so I have given the symbol as greater than symbol. And want to print the unique values mentioned in question. So we have printed the unique values, and here is the output. The next one is about to create a NumPy array, generate humidity values. It's about so that the temperature of dot np dot array and plenty of inputs I have given. On to print, first print a original array temperature, and next is about the data type before the temp. And here the print original array and a covered array. Next, print a data type after the temp is the output. And next one is about a data, and next one is about arrange and align space. Creates arrays using the NumPy functions. Here I have used a numpy.arrange like 1 comma 31 comma 3 that creates a value from 1 to 30 with a set of 3, and np.linespace 20 comma 40 comma 10 creates a 10 equally spaced value from 20 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius. And here the 17th question is to split the 1D NumPy array, and given the plenty of inputs representing weekly rainfall data into two equal parts. Here I have less than 20 and from 20 to 40 and greater than 40 high. The for loop checks every value by one. The next one is about the splits of a rainfall array into two equal parts. Np.split of rainfall comma 2 divides an array into two equal arrays. The first part contains 5, 10, 15. The second part contains 20, 25, and 30. And here the 19th is convert the following into a pandas data frame, a Python list of cities. Here in the pandas data frame, each row represents one day, a column or temperature, a rainfall, and humidity. A pd.data frame creates a table. Here's the output that I got as cities and 0 Chennai, Coimbatore, Madurai, and Salem. And here's the final question. And here is the 20th one, which I've created. The program creates weather data, save it as weather data.csv as a file, and read the file using pandas and inspect the first 5 rows, column names, and data types. And this is the output I have. Thank you.